Dr. JP Singh, who is also the clinical director of the hospital. Sir, would like to know what is the present status of the patients and how many patients you have received so far in the unfortunate incident that has unfolded in the Bhavan of Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine.
Really unfortunate accident. We received the first information about patients, this casualty, around 2:30. And as our standard procedure is, disaster management protocol was set in position. And within 15 to 20 minutes, we were ready to receive mass casualties. The first patient arrived around quarter to 3 a.m. in the morning. And at that time, the entire consultants of emergency, critical care, orthopedics, neurosurgery, general surgery, cardiac surgery were ready to see these patients. Luckily, I am very happy to say that we did not receive any fatal injuries. We received about 16 patients to date as of now. Of these, around 4 or 5 were serious. They were unconscious. Some of them had convulsions. And they are presently admitted into our critical care ICU. Out of these, 4 on a ventilator, but luckily all their CT scans were normal and they are stable. And hopefully I should hope that they should do well. We discharged about 6 of these patients after giving them first aid care. And other 6 patients who are admitted with us are safe and should be going home by evening.
Sir, what kind of injuries do the patients with the critical, those who are serious, have received? Are these head injuries or the fractures? What kind of injuries it is?
All these patients who came to us in an unconscious state probably had a mixture of cerebral concussion, and because they were trampled over by people, could be possibly some amount of hypoxia. So they had presented with convulsions. Three of them had convulsions. So immediately, as the procedure is, they all were ventilated, sedated, and paralyzed. We are in the process of weaning off the sedation, and we will know more about their status as the day progresses. But luckily, all the CT scans of both of head, spine, and chest were all normal.
Sir, what about the 6 patients who are doing normal? Will they be discharged by the day's end?
Yes, I think we will be able to discharge them by evening after we have ensured that all their X-rays are normal and they are seen by the orthopedic surgeons. And once that is clear, they should be going home by the end of the day.
So a good news at least coming from the Narayana Hospital that all those admitted, they are doing good, they are in good condition. Even those who were admitted at a critical stage, Dr. JP is telling us that they are also doing fine. Yes, back to studios.